What if you only had access to an oscilloscope and a signal generator, and your task was to determine an unknown signal's frequency? Let's find out how we do that. So in this example, this MSU signal generator will be our unknown signal. Okay, let me get the amplitude down. And we're going to set our horizontal into a horizontal input. We're going to run our existing signal generator, the only one we have in this example, into the vertical input. And that's what you're looking at here. So let me move this off here, get some amplitude. And this will be our unknown signal. Now, what we'll do is we'll sweep through this until we find some cool shapes. This is going to be a big clue. And I'll tell you about that in a second when you see this. When you see this shape, you know you're halfway there. When you see this shape here, this is half of the unknown signal's frequency. You already know what it is, don't you? Let's move this up another half. Until we get to this guy. And what do you know? 1K. This is how you determine the characteristics of an unknown signal using only a single signal generator and oscilloscope, even one with one channel. Hope this was helpful.